In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a border around a text box in Canva. If you want your text to stand out, there are two quick ways to add a border. Look right inside the effects panel. Start by opening your design in Canva and navigating to the page with the text you want to highlight. Make sure you click directly on the text box so the text is selected. That way, the right tools will appear in the top toolbar. The first approach is a quick solid box behind your text, using the background effect. With your text still selected, go to Effects at the top, then choose Background. Instantly, you'll see a colored block appear behind your text. This is perfect for captions, buttons, or any line of text that needs a clean, readable backdrop. Customize the color to match your brand or to create strong contrast with the background image. Next, adjust roundness to control the shape of the box. Lower values give you sharper corners, while higher values create soft, pill-shaped edges. Use spread to set the padding around your text. A little extra spread gives breathing room and makes the text feel balanced. As you fine-tune, keep an eye on readability. If your text sits over a complex image, choose a solid high-contrast color for the background box, so the words stay crisp and easy to read. The second approach draws a border around the letters themselves, which is great when you want the text to feel integrated with the design rather than sitting on a block. Again, select your text and head to Effects. This time, choose Outline, or pick Hollow if you prefer a fully stroked look without interior fill. Adjust the color so the outline contrasts clearly with whatever is behind it. Then use the thickness slider to control how bold the outline appears. Thin outlines can look elegant on larger headlines, while thicker outlines help smaller text stay legible. If the outline seems uneven, try a clean, simple font and increase the thickness slightly for consistency. Remember, this method doesn't create a box. It enhances the edges of each character, so it's best when you want a lighter touch that still adds emphasis. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.